Frogs are fascinating creatures that belong to a group of animals called amphibians. Amphibians are known for living both in water and on land, and frogs are a perfect example of this. They usually start their lives as tadpoles, swimming in ponds and rivers, breathing through gills. As they grow, they undergo a transformation called metamorphosis, during which they develop legs, lose their tails, and start to breathe through lungs. This change allows them to hop out of the water and live on land, although most frogs still stay close to moist environments. Frogs are found all over the world, from rainforests and swamps to backyards and city parks. They come in all sorts of sizes and colors. Some are as small as a fingernail, while others, like the Goliath frog from Africa, can grow as big as a cat. Their colors can be dull green and brown to help them blend in with their surroundings, or they can be bright and bold to warn predators that they're poisonous. In fact, some of the most colorful frogs in the world, like the poison dart frogs, are also some of the most dangerous. One of the most well-known things about frogs is their croak. Frogs make sounds for many reasons, but most often it's to attract a mate or to mark their territory. Each species has its own unique call, and some can be surprisingly loud. Frogs use a special vocal sac, which they can blow up like a balloon, to make their calls louder. If you've ever walked near a pond in spring or summer and heard a chorus of croaking, you were probably hearing frogs trying to find a partner. Frogs play an important role in the environment. They eat lots of insects, including mosquitoes, which helps keep bug populations under control. In turn, frogs are food for many animals like birds, snakes, and fish. This makes them an important part of the food chain. But sadly, frog populations around the world are in danger. Pollution, habitat loss, climate change, and disease have all caused a decline in frog numbers. Scientists study frogs closely because they are very sensitive to changes in the environment, so when frogs start disappearing, it can be a warning that something is wrong in the ecosystem. In conclusion, frogs are not just cute and jumpy creatures, they are vital to nature and play a big part in keeping the balance of life. Whether you see them hopping through your garden, hear them singing by a pond, or read about them in a book, frogs are worth learning about and protecting. So next time you spot a frog, take a moment to appreciate how amazing these small creatures really are. Would you like background music or voiceover suggestions for this script?